Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use loops in Python. A loop is a block of code that can be repeated over and over again for a specified number of times or until some condition is met. We have two kinds of loops in Python: the while loops and for loops. We will learn both of them together. We want to write a while loop to print the numbers from 0 to 9. First, let's define a variable I equal 0. Then the while loop starts with the keyword while, then the test condition. Here I want to write the numbers less than 10, starting from 0 to 9. The condition here will be while I less than 10. Okay, then colon, then enter. Take care of the indentation. Okay, then print I. In every iteration I want to print the value of I. Then I want to add 1 to the I to update the value of I by 1. This means that the computer first reads I equals 0. Okay, then while I less than 10 means if I less than 10, we will print the value of I, then update the value of I by adding 1 to it. So first I equals 0, so 0 is less than 10. Okay, so the condition is true, so we will print 0, then I will equal to 1. Then we go to the condition again, the test condition, and check if 1 less than 10. Yes, the condition is true, so we will print 1, then update the value of I by 1, so 1 will be 2. Then we go again to the test condition. Is 2 less than 10? Yes, so print 2. Then 2 will be updated by 1, it will be 3. Then go to the test condition. 3 is less than 10, yes, so the condition is true, so we will print 3. Then add 1 to 3, it will be 4. Then ask again in the test condition, is 4 is less than 10? Yes, so the condition is true, so we print 4. Then we update the value of I from 4 to 5 by adding 1. Then ask again, 5 is less than 10? The condition is true, so print I, print 5. Then update the value of I from 5 to 6, and so on until we reach 9. Is 9 less than 10? Yes. So print 9. Then update the value of I from 9 to 10. Then ask again in the test condition, is 10 less than 10? No. So the condition is false. Then the while loop will end and print end of loop. Let's run our program. Okay. So first is 0 less than 10, so we print 0. Then update the 0 to 1. Is 1 less than 10? True, so we print 1. Then update from 1 to 2. Then ask again, is 2 less than 10? It's true, so print 2 and update to 3, and so on till we reach the value of 9. Is 9 less than 10? Is true, so print 9. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. Is 10 is less than 10? No, so the condition is false, so the while loop is ended. Then we reach the line print end of loop, so we print end of loop at the end of our program. This is the while loop. Okay, but take care of this. What if we don't have this line here? Let's trace this loop. First, I equals 0. Then, is I less than 10? Yes, 0 is less than 10. Then print 0. Okay, then again, is I less than 10? True, so print 0 again. Then, is I is less than 10? Then print 0, and so on. It will be an infinite loop. It will be an infinite loop. This happens when the test condition is always true. An infinite loop never terminates. An infinite loop never terminates. The body of the loop will keep repeating forever. Let's run our program and check this. Look here. The computer is printing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Too many zeros, yes? So I have to cancel this process by Control C. Look here, the computer said keyboard interrupt because I pressed Control C. So if the test condition is always true, the loop will never terminate. Okay, we are done for now. This was a simple introduction to loops. In the next lesson we will continue with loops. So see you next lesson, and bye.